Hello, welcome to everybody to my online teaching. I am Dr. Deobrata Mukherjee, PGT Biology, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Kachrapada. Students, today let us discuss about a concept of infertility under the chapter Reproductive Health of class 12. So, at first, we will explain the concept of the infertility. There are some new words you will be getting, that is ART, in vitro fertilization, ZIFT, IUT, GIFT, ICSI, artificial insemination, and the intrauterine insemination. All the concepts, step after step, we shall explain. First of all, we must know, we are curious, we are waiting to know what does the infertility means and what is the rate for that one. And actually, a large number of the couples all over the world, including India, are infertile. What is infertile? Why are they infertile? Because they are unable to produce the children in spite of unexpected sexual cohabitation. But what is the reason for the infertility? There are the couples of the reasons are there. Number one is the physical, congenital, disease, drugs, immunological, and the psychological also. So the actually the females are always blamed in India. All of the actually the females are blamed for the couple being childless, but the more often that not, the problem lies in the male partner also. So how to overcome it? For that purpose, what is the scientific way how to overcome? The basic overcome way is that is the proper diagnosis and these been corrective treatments. What is this meaning? Number one, specialized healthcare unit infertility clinics could help for the diagnosis. Second one is this been corrective treatment of some of these disorders, enable them couple to have the child. And the next one, assisted reproductive technologies, ARTs. What does it ART mean? When such corrections are not possible, couple could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies. So what are the steps of that one? First one is the in vitro fertilization, IVF. Second one is the embryo transfer, ET, that is test tube baby program. Third one is the zygote intrafallopian transfer, GIFT. Next one we have to talk about the fourth one, intrauterine transfer, IUT. Number 5, in vitro fertilization. Number 6, gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT. Very next point we will discussing 7, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. 8 point, artificial insemination, AI. Ninth is the intrauterine insemination, IUI. All the perspectives will be discussed step after steps. Number one, in case of in vitro fertilization, IVF, what happened? That is, fertilization outside the body is almost similar condition so that at the body. Here, followed by the embryo transfer. So here you see now, in vitro fertilization is followed by the embryo transfer. These are the pictures of the scientific pictures are there, how the embryo transfer is going on. You see the uterus and etc. all parts. Very next point is the in vivo fertilization pictures you see, and later I will discuss about in detail. The very next we will talking about the embryo transfer, ET. In these methods popularly known as test tube baby program, that is ova from the wife, that is donor female, and sperms from the husband donor, that is male, are being collected, induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. So next point is the ZIFT, ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer. How is it done? The zygote or the early embryo with up to the 8 blastomeres could then be transferred into the fallopian tube. And the embryos with more than 8 blastomeres when there, that is transferred into uterus. First case, up to 8 blastomere, zygote or early embryo transferred into fallopian tube. When more than 8 blastomeres quite mature, it will be placed into the uterus to complete its further development. So very next point we are talking about in vivo fertilization, the fusion of gametes within the female body. Here embryo found by the in vivo fertilization could be used for such transfer to assist the female who cannot conceive. So the in vivo fertilization is to be done, that is a union of sperm and ovum within the reproductive tract of a female, and usually taken to mean artificial insemination, in which sperm is automatically or artificially introduced into the vagina, cervix or the uterine cavity to overcome the problem of infertility. Next, we have to talk